Hi guys, I want to share with you something that I'm experimenting at the moment. So as everyone knows, I'm sure everyone has been on my blogs and has been following Dyslexia for the Wise. I work with a lot of people, children, young people and adults who are dyslexic and try and support them the best that we can. Now, when I started my journey on being dyslexic and wanting to help dyslexic children and adults also, I realised and I was really intrigued about how dyslexia and the brain works together. So as we know, it is to do with the brain and how the brain works. But I was always wondering, but if we know that, how can we correct the brain for us to maybe, not to say disregard dyslexia and not have the dyslexia traits no more, but if we can identify in the brain which part of the brain's getting affected, then we might be able to get to the next stage of being able to fix the part of the brain. Now, as everyone knows, I'm not no scientist and I'm not even a great researcher, to be honest. But what I did know is that this is something that was close to my heart and I wanted to see if there is anything out there. So I've been researching for a whole year to see if I can connect with other companies, connect with America, because you know America is quite advanced than we are with certain things, and I wasn't really connecting with anyone. However, recently I've connected with a company called Brain Train UK. Now what they do, they work with the advanced level of EEGs. So it's called a QEEG advanced brain mapping. And what they do, they connect the wires in your head to be able to see the brain waves. Now what we're trying to figure out is, with a dyslexic person, the way we read, spell, communicate, our concentration and our memory, how that affects our brain. Now I'm only at the first stages of this research, and I'm researching it on myself first to see what happens. So I will be doing a little journey on this to see where it goes. I don't even know where it's going yet. I don't know what the outcome will be, but I'm very, very excited to be able to go down this road because it means a lot to me. We can't just be giving people a label and saying, yeah, they're dyslexic over there, that person's dyslexic, and we're not really getting to the root of why we are dyslexic. Why is it that our brain is working a certain way to make us be dyslexic? I know we're very creative beings, dyslexic people, definitely, and I know we're geniuses, and I know we think outside of the box most of the time. However, I want to be able to go deeper. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. I'm going to be writing up blogs and let's see what happens. I'm really excited.